Let's talk about the Security First Digital Platform, or as we'll call it, SFDP. So let's start with a really important question. Are your manual processes costing you money? Businesses often spend 2 to 3 times more on manual work than on a digital solution. And we're not just talking paper costs. Think storage, extra staff, and major security risks. It means your team's stuck on busy work, not the stuff that actually grows your business. So what's the fix?
Well, it's a single smart system called SFDP.
Basically, it swaps that manual chaos for total digital control and visibility. Let's look at some common headaches SFDP is built to solve. Sound familiar? For visitors, you get secure QR codes. That means faster, fully traceable access. And for couriers, you can log every package digitally. No more lost parcels. Plus, with geotagged security patrols, you know for sure that rounds are being completed.
Okay, but it's not just about security. Let's see what else slows you down.
You can replace all those paper logbooks with secure, searchable digital ones. Huge difference. Same goes for delivery challans. Track everything digitally from start to finish. You can even track staff attendance right from their mobile phones. Super accurate. All right, so what's the real ROI here? Let's talk numbers. We're talking a 25 to 35% cut in the manual work your team has to do. And it's not just cost savings. Audits get faster, and your staff is happier. So this is the shift, from paper chaos and risk to digital clarity and savings.
And the pricing is smart. You just pick the modules you need and expand later.
Really, the bottom line is that SFDP just pays for itself. Simple as that. So, are you ready to get rid of all that inefficiency and see what your team can really do? The next step is easy. Just reach out and see exactly how SFDP can work for you.